Good evening. Good evening. First, நான் கொஞ்சம் தமிழ்ல சொல்லிட்டு then I will speak in English. Okay. Actually, இந்த Kids Talkiesங்கிற ப்ரோக்ராம் வந்து கோவைஸ் ஈகோவர்சிட்டியோட இன்னைக்கு தான் வந்து இதை வந்து நாங்கள் இனாகிரேட் பண்றோம் இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம். ஸோ இதுல என்ன ஏன் இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் எப்படி ஆரம்பிச்சோம் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, இதற்கு வந்து பிரெயின் சைல்டு பாத்தீங்கன்னா என்னோட பிரதரோட பொண்ணு தீபஸ்ரீ தான். அவங்க தான் வந்து ஏன் எங்களுக்கு ஒரு சான்ஸ் கொடுக்க மாட்டீங்களா, நாங்க கிட்ஸ் பேச முடியாதா அப்படிங்கிற அந்த ஒரு தாட்டே எனக்கு கொண்டு வந்தது வந்து அவங்க தான். ஸோ தீபஸ்ரீ இஸ் த பர்சன் ஹூ இஸ் பிஹைண்ட் திஸ் Kids Talkies program to be started. So from her only I came to know that okay, the kids are also interested in delivering some lectures or they want to discuss something with us. So with that intention we have started this Kids Talkies, and today we have called upon Mr. Bhavan Pratish. He is also very much interested in giving a talk or to be involved in the discussion in the Kids Talkies. So he is going to deliver a lecture today. Okay, so இது வந்து ஒரு நல்ல லேர்னிங் பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் ஃபார் அவர் எல்டர்ஸ் நான் நினைக்கிறேன். ஆக்சுவலி இட்ஸ் லேர்னிங் பிளாட்ஃபார்ம். ஆக்சுவலி வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு லேர்ன் ஃப்ரம் த கிட்ஸ். அதுதான் இப்போ மெயினா இதோட அப்ஜெக்டிவ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அதுதான். ஸோ வி ஆர் ஈகர்லி வெயிட்டிங் டு கெட் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் ஃப்ரம் கிட்ஸ் லைக் யூ. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா, இந்த கிட்ஸ் டாக்கிஸ் வந்து இன்னைக்கு வந்து இவங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து ஹவு டு ஓவர் கம் ஃபியர் இன் ஸ்பீக்கிங் இன் பப்ளிக் அதை பத்தி தான் வந்து பவன் பிரதீஷ் வந்து பேச வந்திருக்காங்க. பட் இது வந்து நமக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரோக்ராம். ஸோ உங்க கிட்ஸ் எது ஆசைப்பட்டு இந்த ஒரு டேலண்ட் இந்த ஃபோரம்ல கொண்டு வரணும் அப்படின்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னாலும் ஆல் ஆர் இன்வைட்டட். ஸோ வித் இதோட வந்து as a founder and chairperson of Kovays Ecovacity, I am giving over the forum to Ms. Viveka Sundar. She is the project director of Infed School of Kovays Ecovacity, and she will take over the forum and will facilitate the program. Thank you for watching and be in connect with us for future programs also. Thank you. Over to Viveka.
Yeah. Thank you, Narmada ma'am, for giving a wonderful speech on how we have started upon the concept. So for the new joinees on this Kovays Foundation, on this program, I would like to give an idea about the Kovays Foundation and the Kovays Ecovacity and how it has been developed. The Kovays Foundation, with utmost care for the society and mankind, we have initiated the task of promoting the value of education, which is mainly based on the learning ideology of Sri Rabindranath Tagore. So Rabindranath Tagore's ideology mainly emphasized to absorb and learn subconsciously at one's own pace, giving them a self-motivated open school of education concerning the importance of freedom in education. And in Kovays Ecovacity, we have two types of school. One is the farm school and the other one is the infed school. In farm school, we take care of the activities which is related to the farming and agriculture. And in infed school, we encourage the informal learning program where the human beings, we as a part of the society, we discuss and through mentorship and we explore through learning by bringing the meaningful personal and social development. And we facilitate such learning systems by connecting them to the subject matter specialists of their field of interest. And under the umbrella of Infed School of Ecovacity, we have started the Kids Talkies program today, wherein the kids will share the knowledge they have in various fields. And we can see a huge development generation through generation. So when we look upon the current generation of the kids, they have much knowledge in various concepts in which even the adults we are not aware of. So we can also learn from them through this program. So knowledge is a very wide concept and it has no end. Acquiring knowledge involves cognitive process, communication, perception, and logic. And it is also a human capacity to recognize and accept the truth. And one may use this knowledge for personal progress as well as the progress of the community, city, state, and nation. And in this Kids Talkies, what we are going to do is we are going to use our knowledge for the benefit of the society. So the knowledge can last for a lifetime and it impacts our growth, which influences everything in our life from relationships to work. It doesn't mean that knowledge is needed only for our work. It is needed in our everyday, day-to-day life. A small thing can be done in a very effective way, which saves time. So Kids Talkies is a platform to do the same, wherein we are sharing the knowledge. So now I would like to invite Ms. Deepashri to give the inauguration speech of Kids Talkies.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Deebashri, studying in grade 6 in DPS Dubai. I warmly welcome you all for the first session of Kids Talkies. This is an online kids programming where kids can express their talent to other kids. We all know that sharing is caring. In this platform, we are going to share the knowledge we possess. When we discuss a certain topic with classmates, friends, or relatives, they have certain knowledge about it. So, through communication, we get new ideas, facts, and develops our knowledge. Now, I welcome Master Bhavan Pratish, grade 7 student, to present about the topic how to overcome fear of speaking in public. Over to you, Bhavan.
Could everybody view my screen?
Yes, Bhavan, we can.
Yeah. Can I proceed? So, good evening, guys. My name is Bhavan Pratish, grade 7 student from SLS Academy, Coimbatore. I think many of the kids like me are attending this webinar. So I welcome all the elders, parents of the kids, and all the kids for this amazing and fun-filled webinar. So my small introduction about Mrs. Surya Nirmada Madam, founder and chairperson of Kovasi Ecoversity. She started her journey in our village called Silatikulam near Tirunelveli. Till date, she has done many farming activities in our village and our village surroundings. So she has given many work opportunities to many poor families. Recently, she has started a YouTube channel called Kovasi Ecoversity. She has been organizing many webinars regarding farming, banking, and etc. I was motivated by her life story to participate in the kids' talk of this foundation. I thank her, and I also thank all her team. So now we'll get into the main topic. So let's get into the main topic. Hello guys. So today my topic is how to overcome fear of speaking in public. So now I'm going to imitate a mind voice of a boy or a girl who starts her journey of speaking in public. Oh my God, will I be able to do this? There are many participants and many guests. No, I'm not able to do this. I'm going to withdraw it. So this is a mind voice of a child who starts his journey of speaking in public. The journey of fear starts at the first day of school. Most of the children would sit in their desk and stare at the classroom. Then suddenly the teacher would call our name and tell us to introduce ourselves to the class. All of us would stand near the teacher's table and would stare. The whole class would start laughing. That starts the journey of fear. Many would have fears about darkness, ghosts, the monsters under the bed, dogs, and etc. But the main one is speaking in public. So in this webinar, I'm going to tell few tips, tricks, steps, and exercises to overcome your fears. So what is fear? Any answers? Can anybody answer?
Yes, kids, let it be an interactive session. Those who know the answer, you can tell him what is fear meant to you.
They can unmute themselves. I have given that option to them. I have given that option for unmute, so they can unmute themselves and can interact.
So thank you. I would tell you, I would like to tell the answer. Fear means a natural, powerful, and primitive human emotion that we create. So this is a simple definition of fear. So do you know what's glossophobia?
No.
Thank you. So glossophobia is the name of the most dreaded fear of speaking in public. For example, politicians like Abraham Lincoln and even father of a nation like Gandhiji, who had dreaded glossophobia before speaking the audience in their ages. Did they overcome it? Yes, they overcome it. So we could also do that. So how does this fear create into our mind? This fear pops into our brains when we give a speech before the school annual day or a chief guest of the annual day or the principal. Using public speaking has great personal benefits, such as building self-esteem, honing critical skills, and building your personality. When you overcome the fear of public speaking, in future you could sound like it. Like you could sound like a leader. When you give a talk in your board meeting, when in the future, sound like a leader to the persons over there. You could get a great job. You could share your ideas without any hesitation. You could also give a TED talk. You could change the world. So, few tips to overcome fear of public speaking. So, you could hire a speech coach. That's out of a student budget. So, hiring a speech coach, if you're eligible to do that, you could do that. Talking in front of the mirror. Oh my God, that's my very favorite tip that I follow. Talking in front of the mirror, you could talk like your best friend. The tip number 3 is doing online courses. All of our kids are very advanced in technology. You could browse it. Many free online courses are there. You could do it in your free time, on your weekends. Attending public speaking clubs via virtually is possible during this pandemic. We should realize that public speaking is a teachable skill. Anyone here who is attending this webinar wants to speak powerfully like your favorite public leader? Yes, you can. Doing online courses is very useful in these days. We could learn how to raise our tone up and down, how to speak very fast and very slow. So now I'm going to say 10 steps to overcome your fear. You could also note these. You could also write running notes and you could mark the tips. Step number 1. These steps also include exercises. Step number 1 is calm the stress rush. Do you know what stress?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Stress is something like it's also a human emotion that we create. Stress does not come into our mind. We create stress. So when you are going to give a speech before your school function, your teacher would tell you, Bhavan, please do the speech very well before the chief guest. There comes the stress. You stress that, if we did not do this speech very well, we would get eyes shouting from teacher. That's where the stress comes. So when we have stress, we have to breathe to relax. If I tell breathe, what you guys do, you breathe very fast, like this can spoil your performance. When you breathe very fast, you could spoil your performance and goes bad. You could do pranayama of Indian yoga for 10 to 15 times. You have to breathe in and out. So we have to stay calm and out of stress before our speech. You could also do stress buster activities. Step number 2 is the power of pausing. When you give a pause after each word you speak, it gives you a professional speaker look, and it also enables you to take a 1 second breath. Step number 3 is mocking up your speech. You should practice your speech within your family, friends, siblings, and so on, your close circle who would not tease you and will also give you great feedback. So you think, oh, my family, I'm not able to speak. Like few people will think, no, I'm gonna not speak with my family. If you're not suitable with that, you could like try on the step number 4, which I'm gonna tell. Step number 4 is own yourself in the mirror. Already I've told you, owning yourself in the mirror. You could speak in front of the mirror just like your best friend. When we talk in front of the mirror, we get aware of our expressions, body language, and etc. Step number 5 is choosing your topic wisely. You have to choose your topic wise, because whenever you choose a tough topic that you do not know, you would be nervous when you speak. So it should be familiar with you. Like for example, I love automobile industry and editing. So what if I give a public speak? Sometime I could do a speech on automobile industry in the future, or else I could also take a class on how to edit videos easily. So when you're familiar with that, that makes you speak very fluent. And it also helps you to gather many points. You see, statistics tells that 75%. Statistics tells that 75% of the people in the world has the fear of speaking in public. Out of 100%, 75% of the people has. Even I had in my smaller ages. Sometimes you could also have it. So now we'll continue with the steps. Step number 6 is do not compare self-worth with public speaking. Do you know what self-worth? They tell Suya Madipu in Tamil. When you're a successful human in life or the society, you would have a villa near the beach, you could have a luxurious seat, and you could have more money, you could have a great job, you could start a business. Okay, you're a successful. I accept that. Who and all has this as a successful human in society. I also tell the whole society also this. And the same society thinks that who has a successful human, who's a successful person in the society, also have great public speaking skill. No, it's not like that. A great rich businessman who could buy his son a 2 crore car for his birthday, people would tell, he would post in his social media pages. People would tell, wow, this businessman is buying everything for his son, a great father. Then people would tell next day that he also has great public speaking skills. No, it's not like that. I think most of the like, do you know does everybody knows how to ride a bicycle? Anybody? I tell like I know to ride a bicycle very well. I think most of the people know also. Whoever rides a cycle perfect is not a great person. I ride my cycle very perfect, and I also do stunts with my bicycle. Does people tell, oh my God, Bhavan is a great person in life. He has a nice name in the society. Nobody does. Everybody learns cycling. Everybody rides cycles. Everybody does stunts. And the next point is that you have fallen many times. You would have fallen many times when you start the first learn of cycling. I just dashed into a wall, and I also fell on the wall, and I got a scare in my leg. I also hit a pipe in my apartment. Everybody does that. But we do not get shamed because we would have learned cycling in the small ages, and we would have fallen for parents or siblings like that. Like, okay, you would have fallen before a close circle. Like that is only public speaking. When you deliver a first speech, shortly you would have mistakes. In the second speech, okay, little would be there. Little, like you would improve little yourself. Third and fourth speech would have improved more. Your family members would leave to tell you, Bhavan, or anybody, you are speaking very well. So you see, when you speak 5 to 6 speeches, you would not become a world-class speaker. Or else I will tell you now, I have in my life I have given 3 to 4 public speeches. Do people tell me, oh my God, Bhavan has a great name in the society? No, nobody tells that. Because what they'll think, what it is, he just gave a speech, right? Simple speech. Who gives a speech only knows what and all pain is there in the speech. So now I'm going to tell a small inspirational story of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Do you know Mahatma Gandhi also had stage fear in his toddler ages? Yes, he had. He was not able to stand and ask the question to his teacher in front of the class. So like this, he spent his small ages and ended up studying law at England. He studied and came to Bombay High Court, which is called now Mumbai High Court, for practicing. He took rent of a small house. In the outskirts of the city. So that time he did not have more money. So he took outskirts of the city where the rent was low. Daily he used to walk to his court up and down. Like he goes to his court in the morning and comes to the court in the evening. For 6 months he did like that. No one even minded him. He did not get even a single petty case. You see, single petty case. He was very sad and he wrote a letter to his elder brother that, dear brother, I think I'm wasting my money. Better I come home. I have not even got a single petty case. So in other few days, his brother replied him that, do not worry, Gandhi. I have a friend who has a case. You could approach his case. I have given the address. So Gandhiji was okay. He was happy. His brother's friend, right? Okay, he went to meet. His brother's friend's name was Mummy Bai. So Gandhiji went and asked Mummy Bai that my brother told that you have a speech. Will you able be to do that? So he approached to Mummy Bai and he asked that, are you my brother's friend? Like my brother told that you have a case with me to give. So I am a lawyer. I have studied at England. So please, would you give me the case? So Mummy Bai thought, okay. So he's telling, Mummy Bai replied that, okay, Gandhi, I'm very happy to give the case to you. You are also telling that you have studied in England. So I'm very happy to give you. So please tell me your fees. So what happened is that Gandhiji replied, Sir, it's your wish. You could give your own fees. So, Mummy replied, okay, will you take 30 rupees? So Gandhiji was very happy. He told okay, he was excited. He took the evidence, his case files, and studied the case thoroughly for 3 to 4 days. He studied the whole case. So the final day arrived. Gandhiji was eagerly waiting for his turn. So when his turn came, the judge called him back. Defense lawyer Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, you could proceed. So when Gandhiji stood up, his body started shivering. He started sweating very well and no words came out from his mouth. You see, Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation, the same Mahatma Gandhi, a few years later, in 1942, he started a movement called Do or Die. This is called in Tamil that Sei Illai Settumadi, which amazed India, which amazed the whole India. The same lawyer Mahatma Gandhi, who was shivering in the court few years before. So after the court session over, he ran to his brother's friend Mummy Bai and gave the 30 rupees and told him that, dear brother, please find a great lawyer. So I am stressing this point. If Gandhiji compared his self-worth with public speaking, we would not have a Mahatma. I'll tell you in an easier way. Like if Gandhiji thought that, what big public speaking? I am a great lawyer who studied in England. No public speaking, no problem, no case also. I am a lawyer, I know law. If you have compared like that, I 100% tell you that we would not have a Mahatma. So this is a very important point that you could also use in your life. Step number 7. For the next 1 week, if you see any person, like it can be when you wake up, you see your mom, wish them good morning. When you see your dad reading a newspaper, good morning, Appa. Or good morning, dad. When you see your brother, good morning, brother. Or else when you go out, the same day when you go out with your dad, or you wait for your bus to school, if you see a friend, tell him, good morning, Abhinav. Your friend's name, you could mention your friend's name. Or else you see an uncle who's not you, good morning, uncle. Good evening, auntie. When you see in the evening, you could think what he's telling. Daily in the morning, nothing would happen. So please follow it. This may give you many words later. Step number 8 is choose your favorite topic. It can be school, cartoons, and etc. Then prepare a speech for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, go to your room. Inform your mom that I'm going to give a speech, so I'm locking my room door. Lock the door. Stand before the mirror and imagine that you're giving a TED talk. Imagine there are thousands of members before you. You could ask your mom's mobile phone or any other gadget, your laptop, your PC, record your speech and send it to your English teacher for feedback. I tell you, no teacher will be annoyed to help you. 1 minute. So now comes the step number 9. Now it's time to hone your public speaking skills. You have to volunteer yourself at school or college, and you should get a chance in that program to speak. So it starts like school program, college program, intra-school contest, inter-school contest. Then you could Toastmaster clubs, webinars. You could improve yourself and end yourself at a TED Talk. You see, even I have a dream to give a TED Talk. Most of the people who have saw a TED Talk has a dream to give a TED Talk. So if you're aiming for giving a TED Talk, sure, you could use this one. You could improve yourself. If there are 15 steps to reach your classroom, will you take in one step and go there? No, you have to use each of the step. You have to use the 15 steps and you should go. You can't go in a one attempt. You have to try many times. So the last and final tip. Whenever you give a public speech, keep your content written in a paper. When you're giving a speech, when you have confusion in the middle, you could see that. Or else, if you are not, you're thinking that I'm not able to do, I'm not able to read without seeing this. You could, you could see that. See that and start reading. You think that what? People will look at silly or awkward. No. Because England's most successful Prime Minister, Winston Churchill. He is Winston Churchill. So gave many speeches for the citizens during the Second World War. Many people got encouraged by him and joined the army. 10 years ago, before he was a prime minister, when he was in college days, or school days, Winston Churchill also had stage fear. So whenever he delivers a speech, he has a bundle of paper that the content he is going to speak just like this one. So Winston Churchill only introduced this technique to the world. Even a big successful prime minister used this material. So we could also use the same way. So we have come to the conclusion of the webinar. The thing that I tell you, please overcome your fear in your toddler ages. Otherwise, it will be a big burden for you in the future. There is a Tamil quote told, "ஐந்தில் விளையாதது ஐம்பதில் விளையாது." It has an English translation that the thing that does not grow at the age of 5 will not grow at the age of 50. You take fear in a positive way. You could take fear in both ways. Fear, F-E-A-R, fear. Face everything and run, or face everything and run. The choice is yours. If you have told anything wrong, please forgive me. Once again, I thank OVC Ecoversity for giving me such an opportunity in this program, and I also thank my family, my parents, my grandparents for encouraging me, for motivating me, and for helping me. So please follow this point. You could also, the kids who are seeing this webinar, you could also get motivated, and you could also participate in that. I tell you that you could sure participate in this. If I could participate, every child could participate. Enjoy the night. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhavan. It was really a wonderful presentation. We all enjoyed it. And Archana, if you want, you can give some words about this.
Yes, good evening to all. I am very happy because you people are going with the first step is good one. Because these kids are in this pandemic time, they are very suffer inside the room because they can't go outside. They are watching full time, they are watching TV, and they are studying the school materials only. But this is the first time they are coming with their ideas, and they have, okay, we also have a lot of things to do in future and other times also. So this is good opportunity to all kids. This is first time he is doing in this webinar. All kids can do. Okay, thank you for Surya Narmada and Viveka for giving this opportunity.
Yeah. Thank you, Archana. Thank you for that. And I would like to add some few points which Bhavan had told. In fact, everyone is thinking that public speaking, okay, it is not a great skill. Anyone can speak. But when you enter a stage and when you're trying to speak, that time you will know, because I'm a narrator from my school and college days. Until my grade 5, I will not talk anything. our teachers and principal will tell, no, you give your name, you can speak. No, I didn't actually. As he told, I have the fear that no, I will speak wrongly. What others will think. This was hindering me in progressing. But now I can remember in 6th grade, we have every Wednesdays we have kids club, wherein we will showcase our talents, be it be it a speech or singing or dancing, whatever it is, we can present. So that time, my Tamil ma'am, she forced me, no, you should do it. So that is the first speech I have given. And in that first speech itself, I could identify that, oh, I have a great speaking skills. Because for that, I didn't prepare anything. It was on the spot. So that is where my passion for speaking started. As he told, it's speaking before the mirror is a very great technique. Before each speech, believe me, I will try speaking in front of the mirror at least 50 times. Because each time we will identify, no, here we are making this mistake, this should be like this. Practice makes perfect. Technical skills and book knowledge, everyone can learn. See, you all know a foot pyramid, right? It will be broad in the base and it will go as a curve in the up. So the same thing is the professional pyramid. From college, thousands of students are coming out, right? And among them, at least 60 to 70% are getting placed in campus interviews. Everyone are being positioned in the same position. But after a span of some years, you can see that among that 70%, only 5 to 10% reaches the top. Everyone studied in the same college. Everyone possesses the same technical skills. Then what is the difference between them that takes them to that level? That is the speaking skills. Speaking skills, public speaking skills will not only help you in speaking to the public, it will also help you in your professional development. The parents and adults who are in the meeting, you are aware that in today's world, everything is based on presentation. So when you are giving a presentation, this public speaking skills will help you a lot. So that will make you the difference among you and your colleague. So as a children, I would like to give you an advice that please practice the speaking skill. It will help you in your personal and professional development. Don't think that, no, it is not a great thing. Anyone can do it. No, it is not like that. Only through practice it will come. And when you practice it, you can become successful in this. And now I would like to request everyone in the meeting, if you have any doubts or clarifications, you can put up on the questions to Mr. Bhavan. Any questions? If you have questions or if you have any feedback or comments, you can just unmute and tell. And I would also request you to pass this message to your friends, families and relatives that we have such a session. And any kid can share their talent, whatever it may be. For example, you may be a very good chess player. So you can talk about it. What are all the tactics? What are all the moves you're practicing? You may be very good in programming because we learn programming when we are in colleges, but you kids are learning it when you are in school. So you can share about that. Right? And you may be an expert in singing. So what are the tips you can give others who has the passion for singing, how they can do it? Whatever the topic, don't hesitate. Please pass this message to your friends and relatives so that we can share the knowledge and talent that we possess. So please, any comments, any questions, feedback is welcome.
Raise your questions in your favorable, in your comfortable language too, if you want.
Yeah, whatever it is, language is not a constraint. தமிழ்ல பேசணும்னாலும் பேசலாம். உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது கேள்விகள் இருந்தா கேளுங்க.
Good evening, madam.
Some of them are raising their hands. Yeah, continue.
Yeah, good evening, madam. I am Shekhar calling from Kuwait. May I talk to you with your permission?
Sure, sir. Please go ahead.
I'm very delighted to be a part of a webinar seminar. Is related to my grandson and Selvan Bhavan Pratish. He has made a wonderful presentation without fear any public speak. And first of all, I would like to thank you to the organizer, Mrs. Surya Narmada, and who is the moderator for this webinar session. Really, it is a wonderful organization which will motivate the children either in the school level or the college level. But if you see the kith and kin, when you speak the public speak in that webinar, really I am delightful and very much happy to hear such a wonderful presentation at this age, because at this age, nobody can come to the public speaking, whether through the either the virtual meeting or the physical meeting. This is the encouragement which is given by you to the children will be really, really great. And I appreciate and your time taken for this webinar. Really, it will be motivational and inspirational to the children. I congratulate the organizers and moderate, and especially to the children. Those who are not able to come forward, please come forward to speak publicly, whether it is right or wrong. Do not hesitate anything. When Selvan, my grandson, speaking about Mahatma Gandhi and Mr. Churchill, really I was amazing such a how he has given the example to the children as well. People like me, I have also learned many information from Selvan, Bhavan, Pratish. I once again thankful, I'm grateful to the organizers. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Madam, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. And I could see Galaxy A10, yes, you have raised your hand. So if you have any questions, you can proceed.
Excellent program, Viveka and Surya Narmada. Well done, dear.
Thank you.
Bhavan, I am seeing you for the past 10 years, each and every development of you. You have well done, dear. Lot of improvement, especially the way you presented. Normally, you used to speak very speed. The flow will be very speed. Yours I used to tell you, பவன் கொஞ்சம் நிறுத்தி பேசு, நீ பேசுறது பாயிண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாருக்கும் புரியாதுன்னு. பட் திஸ் டைம் வெல் டன், ரொம்ப இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆயிருக்க. நல்லா அழகா நிறுத்தி பேசின ராஜா, ரொம்ப நல்லா பண்ணுன. ஆல் தி கிரெடிட்ஸ் டு பவன் அண்ட் ஹிஸ் மதர். Once again, thank you, Narmada. Thank you, Viveka, for the wonderful opportunity. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
வேற யாரும் பேச விரும்புறீங்களா?
Chandran, I guess you're talking, but we couldn't hear you. கேட்கல நீங்க பேசுறது.
கேட்கல uncle.
Hello. Now you are hearing, na? Are you audible?
Yeah. Yes, now it's audible.
So first of all, I thank that OVC Foundation, the Narmada ma'am and Viveka Ram, because you have given the platform to the kids, because the kids means your brother, daughter. She is a instrumental. As you introduction, you told about her thought, because why not you have given a chance to kids also. That is a platform. You started this kids program. Really, I appreciate, because both of you having much knowledge about society and vision of the society also. The fear about how we have to talk to in front of the public, or how we have to speak about to the public meeting also. Really, I appreciate Mr. Bhavan Pradesh, my master Bhavan Pradesh, because the last 3-4 days, he has taken all the notes. He has spent more time. He has thrice and 4 times. He shared with me. He shared his views also. He, in front of that mirror also, he spoke the body language, how to we express the words and other things. Anyway, it is a successful program, because being a village, as I said, I proudly said, We are from the village like Silachikulam. We do not have much facility, though we are succeeded so many things. This is an opportunity you have given to the children's kids also. I thank once again. God bless you. Your foundation will grow and flourish. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Narmada ma'am and Vivekaram. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Actually, I'm very happy, and my heartfelt thanks to Devashri, because I never expected that this kids program will go like this. Actually, I thought, okay, she asked that, so I want to satisfy her needs. In that way only I have started this program. But after seeing today Bhavan's speech, really, it was overwhelming, and I felt that we have lost a very good resource till now. Now only we have started learning things from, actually no words were there, because what I can tell, it's somewhat emotionally I was held up. And Bhavan, you have given a very good speech, ma. And one more thing, you have given a good start for us. Actually, we never, it's not in our mind at all. One thing, they say implementation is due to Devashri's word. And now, Bhavan, you have taken to some heights. Okay. So I was held up with words today, and really, which we have not expected at all. That is the thing. And today we got a very good response. And one day I want to see you in the TED platform, and we have to attend that meeting. That way you have to grow up. I think God will bless you. And many more kids program. We have, actually, this gave us some encouragement, very good encouragement. I think we will go with this kids program. Each and every week we'll go with a kids program, and you people can teach them also. Okay, some other new topics also. The parents who are there in the participant list, you can also encourage your students to come up, because this is a very friendly platform. Even Chandrasekhar uncle called me and Viveka as ma'am, but it's not necessary. Mostly we will call by name or we'll call by relation only. Actually, this thing, today, normally we will use to give honorarium to the presenter. But right now, after Bhavan's this speech, I had a small idea in my mind. I want to gift a book to these kids who are presenting the papers, who are presenting the lectures. I want to gift you the book which you like. That is the thing I want to do. So I think if any others have any other suggestions to honor these type of children, kindly come up with some suggestion. We can go with that thing. Really a overwhelming performance by Bhavan. And I, with the same practice, with the same motivation, you go ahead. And my special thanks, and I have to congratulate and wish his parents, Venkatesh and Archana. They have motivated very well, and he also done his job. That is the thing, and he has from his speech and his content, as Shekhar sir told, no, that Mahatma Gandhi story and Winston Churchill story, it's very new to us. We are learning from you, and really our parents are also blessed, and you are also blessed, and we want to see you in the TED Talk. Best wishes, Kanna. You will do lots of and your public speaking skills still you can improve a lot, and you can come up with I think you will come up as a very big public speaker, or maybe a politician too. So we are we are eagerly awaiting for the days to come. And thank you participants for this for participating in this webinar. And we all thought initially, okay, it's only a kids program, but it's a very good learning program for us. Thank you very much to one and all. And Viveka, if you want to give any concluding remarks, you can do, ma, and we can conclude.
Sure, Mani.
Narmada, I want to share only one, because his ambition is as IAS officer or IPS officer or IRS, because that way only he is preparing himself, because he is not at all interested for a doctor, engineer, because he always thinking about only administrative side. Because you people encourage him to go highlight in the higher side. You encourage them. You give more opportunity him, because once you got that opportunity, he can utilize that opportunity. He will fly in the sky. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Sure.
Sure, sure, sir.
So, Pawan, if you want to become if you are really interested in becoming an engineer or doctor or a fashion designer, you do that. If you are interested to become an administrative officer, go with that. Nowadays, I think no parent is forcing them to go to this field or that. They will guide them, that's all. But if you are very much interested in that, our support will be there. Actually, myself, Viveka, and we are all actually we had a passion to go towards that IAS and IPS, but unfortunately we didn't go for that. But many reasons will be there. Okay, so but if you are willing, we are ready to support with whatever knowledge we are having. We are ready to support. So you people get our support or get other friends support, and you just fly with your own colors.
Thank you so much.
And today I was one thing I am very happy that I am a very great fan of Rabindranath Tagore. Many will tell that I am a fan of Rajinikanth or I am a fan of Kamal Haasan, but I am a fan of Rabindranath Tagore. And I visited Santi Niketan when we were in Calcutta when I am studying the first standard, when I was in my first standard. From that day onwards, I am having a dream that I have to establish a school which is Parat Shanti Niketan. But I don't know when I am going to establish it in my lifetime, or else these young people, you have to do that. That is my ambition and my dream. I think these kids will one day they will satisfy my dream. Okay, so
Sure, auntie.
very much emotionally I am held up today. Thank you once again. And Viveka, you can come up with concluding remarks. And Bhavan, if you want to tell something, you can do.
Yeah.
Yes, Pawan. If you want to tell something, you can go ahead.
Yeah, so I did not get a chance till now. I'm studying grade 7. For the past 7 years, nobody just called me. Nobody just called me. Nobody asked that, do you have that talent? My parents encourage me. I have a good talent at singing. My parents encourage me to go there for that. So most of every parent encourage it. But what is the problem? We kids do not do that. So my mom only encouraged me that she tells me I am a Carnatic music. I am a student of Carnatic music. So she tells me to sing half an hour every day. But what I do is that I did not do that. So that is the greatest mistake I realized in my life now, and all the kids are doing that. Confirm I tell most of the kids are doing that. So my wish is that you have to just if your parent is telling for 1 hour, you could do half an hour. So that's my only wish I tell in this webinar. Thank you for giving me such an opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bhavan. I mean, your speech was very wonderful, and you don't leave it. You take it to the level of TikTok. For surely, we'll be there to support you, right? And it's a very nice speech and a very nice start to start with. Because I can tell when we initiated this, daily he used to chat actually. Auntie, is this okay? Can I do in this way? Can I do in this way? From the poster, starting from the poster design, I can see his involvement in that. So it's a very good thing. Keep improving it, and all the best for all the kids. And please showcase your talents, and it is a very good platform, and don't miss it. Please pass the message to your friends also.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, you are audible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm Bhavan's teacher only.
Oh.
And well done, Bhavan. I saw that, and Bhavan was telling my parents only encourage, but you can ask. Last 2 years I'm encouraging. I know Bhavan will come up. Ask Bhavan. Bhavan,
Yes,
can
Ji.
remember. You
You
can
are
remember me.
one of my pillars. Teachers are one of my pillars.
So, Bhavan, I want your link also, this one. So please share with me.
Yeah, Ji. Thank you. Thank you so much, Ji.
Thanks. Well done, Bhavan. You like rocking. You'll come up in your life.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you so much.
Now,
Thank you.
share your mobile number so that we can send you the YouTube link also. Share your mobile number in the chat box so that
Yeah. Yes.
we can able to add you in our Kovais Ecoversity group, and there we will be sharing the YouTube link of this program.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Any others who are interested to share some points or your suggestions, you are invited.
Deepashri, do you want to tell something? You have initiated this and how it is going, or you're feeling happy about it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am feeling so happy because I can't believe it will go like this. I love this session. It was very interactive. And when I was small, I used to not even talk a lot. But then now in class and all, I talk a lot. I don't know why. So even I did the steps you tell. Like I breathe in, I breathe out. Then I did all the steps. So.
Yeah.
Now even I talk in the front of the mirror. Like, oh, I just talk to like communicate with the mirror.
Exactly. And I want to mention one thing. Always be a conversation initiator. We need not wait for the other person to initiate the conversation. When we are a conversation initiator, automatically it will improve our communication skills and speaking skills as well.
Actually, something we will do for money or we will do as a business. Something we will do for our satisfaction. This is what we are doing for our total satisfaction. And I think today we gained that. So I'm very happy, very, very happy. And my special thanks to Devashri and Bhavan to initiate this program. And we will go ahead with many, many programs and with more of your suggestions because it worked out well. So I'm really happy. We are going to rock. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Sure, we are going to.
Thank you, everyone. I think we can end up the session here. And once again, we will meet with a another good topic. Okay. Thank you. Till then, bye.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Okay. Meeting end.